It's a pleasure once again to come your way with another juicy recipe from my outdoor kitchen. I'm so excited to share with you my version of the oven-baked tilapia with vegetables using charcoal. I have here 2 cleaned tilapias. You can use any fish of your choice. The spices I am using, guys, I will share the recipe with you. It's a bomb. So now, make enamel with the spice blend. I'll make sure say every hole tokuro biemu will be filled. Into enamel no me bonne pons. Sana me bonne pons. Me de sasran me di rura baby. And so yes, I added salt and oil to the spices. I'd like to use this opportunity to thank you so much for your support. If you are new here, consider subscribing to be a part of this wonderful family so we grow together. This is my baking pan and I have it lined with a foil. So I'm going to spread the veggies on it. Vegetables now me use green bell pepper, carrots, and onion, and sabolai, and jenny, and onions. So if you are watching this video and you don't have an oven, you have no excuse not to serve your family this delicious recipe this Christmas. I decided to use the coal pot to prove that fact. Me the tilapia no ebegu ni honeymoon bed ne so. Na afei spices kakra na eka tray ne so no me pia ni nyina egum. Yes, we are leaving nothing to waste. Sabrea prices of cooking oil are shooting up no. This is your best alternative. Initially, I had wanted to cover it up with plantain leaves before the foil. I think Sianoki has done it before, so I had wanted to try that one. But before I could remember, I made the foil no akataso every. It's plantain leaves no emaninko waste. I'll still find a way to use it still in this recipe. Tubaha ejano aye krado me bie mo se de beya enkujina farm. I have put this wire mesh on the coal pot so that the fire will not be direct on the baking pan. If it had been an oven, I would have said I'm reducing the heat. So this is how I reduce the heat. I remove some of the charcoal from the fire. After about 20 minutes, I decided to pay it my first visit. And Okoro, you dey see what I dey see. So I cooked one half for about 40 minutes before flipping it to the other side. And when I flipped it over, I added some of the marinade to the other side as well. Besides the salt that was less, one other thing that I will do different next time is to have it sit for about an hour before cooking after the marinade. Nam we die na ni mita ye banku ti me can soft banku bi nam di meat no. On this note, I want to say thank you so much for sticking and staying with me from the beginning of this recipe up to this point. May God bless you. Until I drop another video your way, my dear, stay safe because I do care about you. Bye bye.